In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Zoho Books in Chrome and invite your accountant with the right permissions. First, let's ensure you have Zoho Books open in the Chrome browser. If you're not already logged in, please go ahead and enter your credentials. Once you're inside, we'll navigate to the home page, which is your dashboard of information and controls for everything related to your business's accounting in Zoho. Our next step will take us to Settings. You'll find the Settings icon in the upper right corner of your Zoho Books dashboard. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Users and Roles. This is the section where you handle all changes and management regarding users and permissions in Zoho Books. Now that you're on the Users and Roles screen, we're going to invite a new user. This is where you'll add your accountant to your Zoho Books account. Find and click the button labeled Invite User. After clicking this button, a form will appear that prompts you to enter an email address. This is where you'll enter the email address of your accountant, so make sure you type it in correctly to avoid any delays or errors in communication. Once you've entered their email address, the next task is setting up access levels for your accountant. It's crucial to assign the correct role and permissions that suit their accounting tasks. Usually, Zoho Books offers predefined roles such as admin, staff, or accountant. You'll likely want to select the accountant role, as this setting generally provides the necessary access levels, allowing your accountant to view, manage, and perhaps even edit the financial transactions they need without changing core settings that might affect other business operations. After you've assigned the appropriate role and checked that everything looks correct, you need to send the invitation. You can do this by clicking the Send button in the user invitation form. Once sent, your accountant will receive an invitation email with instructions on how to join your Zoho Books organization. Lastly, you'll want to confirm that the user's setup is complete. This can be done by simply checking the Users and Roles page to ensure that your accountant's email is listed there, indicating that the invitation has been accepted and they now have access. This final step of confirmation ensures everything is ready for your accountant to begin using your Zoho Books account. And there you have it. You now know how to log into Zoho Books using Chrome and invite your accountant with the proper permissions. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide aids you in seamlessly managing your business's accounting tasks.